the ocean on a silver bird, flying into another world, flying down the Pacific coast, flying up in a silver ghost. Love to be back in Los Angeles. LAX, what a sight to see. Stone folks living crazy days, table hopping at the Rainbow Bay. Stone dead in the USA, stone dead in the USA. Coming back to New York City, just as crazy ain't so pretty. People running like crazy fools, know you got to break the rules. You can have yourself a real good time, you can have yourself a life of crime. Hit the limelight, make my day, get me back to JFK. Stone dead in the USA, stone dead in the USA. Texas can't get enough. Old Virginia, I fell in love. Detroit, where the bad boys are. See Chicago, make you a star. Boston, Cleveland, and Buffalo. Another shake, another show. Shake your ass, San Francisco Bay. Hate to leave, I wanna stay. Stone dead in the USA. Stone dead in the USA. That's a man.
O Lord, who art on high, who hast made the blades of grass and the little tiny things that creep therein, that hath made the cricket bats, who has made hankies, who has made all things, bless thou these people from Motorhead, that they may so verily endow the people of this planet with pleasure and enjoyment, that yea, they may verily increase fourfold their already large sums of loot, and enable them here in this life to purchase maybe one other pair of trousers each. O Lord, thou who hast seen the trouserless and had compassion, look down upon them. Thank you.
stab you in the back. The wolf is at your door. The wolf, wolf, wolf. Come on. This ain't the time to talk of love. That's all begun when the fist is in the glove. Don't you rely on passers-by. They should have looked the other way and let you die. The wolf is at your door. The wolf, wolf, wolf.
Intrigue your soul desire. You sell your wife, your child. You sell your oldest friends. You sell your countrymen. And yet we know your name. Traitor, traitor. Make things hot for you. Our hearts we make to harden. For you there is no pardon. For you the spike awaits upon the traitor's gate, and crows will eat your eyes. Traitor, traitor. We'll send you straight to hell. As we dismember you, we shall remember you. You are abomination. You that betray the nation, you shall take one today. Traitor, traitor!